In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Call of Duty 4 on PC with controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any controller that you have to play COD 4, aka Modern Warfare. Keep in mind that these same steps are going to work for any other Call of Duty game, and even if you don't own the game on Steam, you can still follow this method. For this, we are going to use the Steam launcher, but if you downloaded it through other means and you have the game available outside of Steam, I'm still gonna teach you how to properly set it up to use your controller. The reason why we want to use the Steam launcher is because whenever you run a game through Steam, it is going to have a feature called Steam Input, which automatically detects and sets up your controller. To start, open the Steam launcher. I'm gonna demonstrate this process using the modern Call of Duty title available here, but as long as you follow these same steps, it is also going to work with Call of Duty 4. So once you find Call of Duty 4 or the new Call of Duty, you will be able to go into the properties. If you own Call of Duty outside of Steam, click on the option to add a game at the bottom left and then add a non-Steam game. In here, you can look for Call of Duty on all of the progress on your PC, so find the executable for COD 4. Once you select it, add to your library and then right-click the game, go into Properties and then Controller. All that you have to do is make sure that Steam Input is enabled. So if it is set to use default settings, change it to enable Steam Input. Now, with your controller connected to your PC, you can go over to the controller configurator to manage all of the settings about this controller. You might have to restart the connection if you get a message like this one, so I'm just gonna disconnect my controller and plug it again, and as long as you use Steam Input, meaning that you run the game through Steam, everything is going to work. At this point, you don't have to do anything else, just launch the game and enjoy. But if you want to, you can browse through community-made layouts, you can change every single button to a different key, numpad, action set, system keys, and as long as you run the game through Steam with the controller connected, it is going to be set up for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Call of Duty 4 on PC with controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.